Welcome to Unique Strategies. Today we are going to discuss static GK about Pathanamthitta. Let's get started. Pathanamthitta was formed on 1st November 1982. The architect of Pathanamthitta, K.K. Nair. First polio-free district in India, Pathanamthitta. The highest literacy rate district in Kerala, Pathanamthitta. 13th district in Kerala also Pathanamthitta. The first district in Kerala where AIDS disease was reported, Pathanamthitta. First cashless collectorate in India, Pathanamthitta. This is P.B. Noor sir. He is known as a man with a gift for instant decision making and of course my favorite collector. The traditional art form of Pathanamthitta, Padayani. The only hill station in Pathanamthitta, Charalkunnu. The biggest forest division in Kerala, Rani. Shabarimala Pilgrim Center is situated in Rani. Shabarimala Magaravilakku is known as Dakshina Kumbhamela. Name of the branded bottled water project in Shabarimala, Shabari Tirtham. Shabarimala. Shabarimala is an ancient temple. It is believed that the prince of Pantalam dynasty, an avatar of Ayyappan, meditated at Shabarimala temple and became one with the divine. The place where the prince meditated is the Mani Mandapam. The 18 steps have considerable religious significance. Devotees believe that ascending these steps help detach them from worldly desires mentally and physically. The first 5 steps are called Panchatriyas. They symbolize the 5 human senses of sight, sound, smell, taste and touch. The first temple town in India to get telemedicine center, Shabarimala. The district is known as headquarters of pilgrimage tourism. Pilgrim capital of Kerala, Shabarimala. Mahatma Gandhi Ashramam, Ilanthur. The famous waterfalls Peranthenaravi is in Pathanamthitta. Cultural capital of the district, Aranmula. The first private sector hydroelectric project, Maniyar. Pathanamthitta has no shore. Name of the clean Shabarimala project, Punyam Pungavanam. Aranmula Vallankali is on the river Pamba river. It is also known as Uttratadi boat race and Jalathile Puram. Aranmula Kannadi. This is known as Aranmula Kannadi and it is famous in Kerala. Maraman Convention, the largest Christian convention in Asia. Pamba. The river is also known as Dakshina Bhagirathi and River Baris. Which river is known as Mini Pamba? The Nila River. Shabarigiri project. The major hydroelectric project is on the river Pamba. The artificial lake in Pathanamthitta, Kakki Reservoir. The only railway station in Pathanamthitta, Tiruvalla. Sugarcane Research Center is in Tiruvalla. Kerala Institute of Folklore and Folk Arts is situated at Mannadi. The famous Veluthambi Dalava is former Diwan of Travancore, committed suicide at Mannadi temple on 28 March 1809. The Wild Elephant Training Center in Pathanamthitta, Koni. Adavi Ecotourism Project is situated in Pathanamthitta. Thanks for watching this video.